Alright everybody, so a bit of an update is I did actually start welding. It doesn't look very nice, but it's been a long time since I've welded and had to make it look nice. So you can see right here in the corner there's a patch on it. I just hammered the crap out of it and then put this on top, so it should be somewhat flush. This is like really hard to figure out where you're gonna start, where you're gonna end. So it's just a new piece of metal that goes down. I cut in here and then just butted this up to it and welded it on. It's nice German metal from the cabriolet in the back quarter panel. So it is coming along. This piece of plywood is for fire watch, keep the sparks out of the car, out of the truck. Here's the welder that I'm using. Borrowed it from my brother-in-law. These are the settings that I'm on. I don't know if those are right or wrong. I am not a professional. I am trial by error. That is the thickness of the wire. Not saying that that is what you have to do, but that is what I am doing. Alright, so I'm gonna grind down the worst of it and then I can cut this piece out. And where are we? Single-handedly put that piece back in. That's the new piece. Alrighty. Should have kept it a little bit longer here and there or whatever. It's hard to make it perfect. Alrighty, so an update. I am having a hard time trying to get this to fit properly, but I think I just had an aha moment. So I can't get those seams in here to fit properly because there's too much metal on the bottom holding things back. So like I can push it in. I can push it in farther than that. But what I am going to do is take this old piece as a template. I'm going to cut the strut tower piece out, take off that, and then I can lay this piece in there, and then I can cut underneath, and hopefully I'll have a good butt joint. Yeah, right. We shall try. Alright, quick update. So you can see I have the old piece in there, and now I can cut along the bottom, and according to theory it's going to fit perfectly into the truck. Alright, moment of truth. See if my trick works. I have not tried it yet. There we go. Get in there. There. There we go. Did that actually work? It looks like it kind of did. I got a little bit. Okay, that actually looks like it kind of did work, or I can make it work. Yeah. Got a bit to cut off right here. I don't know if you can see that. That's fine. Maybe a little bit. Cool. Cool. Let's see what the other side looks like. Much better. Much better. Yeah. I just need some time to fiddle with it. I'm excited. It's hard to tell that I'm excited. Trust me, I am. So you can see what I'm working with. Flatten it out. So I got like all these spots, like over here is pushing a couple millimeters up, and there's a little burr there I should get rid of. I should just go around this whole thing and just make it great. Make it great again. Alrighty. See here that I've almost got it set in place. It's being a real pain. This corner here, like where it butts up to there, is probably my worst spot. It's hard to figure out exactly why. I put some extra metal in there so that I can weld in that gap. It's also giving me grief up in this corner. It could be because of the piece that I put in here that's kind of throwing it off, but I don't know. It's not doing what I want it to do. Over there, this is pretty good here. I got a tack there, you can see. I got to do some little bit more adjustments on there. The good part is that over here it's quite nice. So that got it tacked, so I can go ahead and weld that there. So my plan of attack right now is to get this whole thing, kind of get it set in place, and then take my measurements and see where I am. The measurements are in the Bentley manual. They do a couple measurements, like from here to there and here to whatever, yada yada yada. And I'll probably throw the fender on just to see if it kind of fits, and then go from there. Last night I did, I don't know if you can see it, put some windshield seam sealer in there. I know maybe some of you guys are gonna freak out because of that, but so be it. It's a SEMA build, right? There we go. Let's keep plugging away at it. Would I do this again? I might do it again, because now I feel like I have a better understanding of it. Would I recommend somebody to do it? I don't know. Well, if you got a lot of patience. There's so many hours of me not videoing, of me trying to get this stupid thing in there. It's just not a straight piece. Like, if it was like just welding in a piece at the bottom of this door would be one thing. Trying to finagle a piece with all the curves that this has just been time consuming. All right, Ty. That's it. That's all. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick for when you're doing butt welds, and you have access to the other side. It's kind of cool. So here I have a brass punch, and you just hold it on the other side, and then what happens is you do your weld without the crack in there, and then none of your gases are flying through the crack. It just welds nice, and you just come right off because it doesn't bond to the metal. So I'm going to start right there and just keep going down. Much nicer. do this as long as you can bear to hold it. So you can see like down here, the welds are here is nice because I'm constantly burning holes through it and wires just going through and whatever. So anyhow, keep going till I can't hold this anymore and then I'll be down there. Oh, I'll switch it up a bit here. So I don't warp everything out of it. So right there, 3 wire speed, and then there 14. That's the tripod. All right. See, like this is just hard. There, I had huge gap there. Same with over there. But and I still got a bit there. Whatever. It is what it is. It's coming.